video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on your PDAX account. Enhancing your account security is essential, and adding this extra layer of protection is one of the most effective ways to safeguard your investments. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your PDAX account. Start by opening Google Chrome or your preferred web browser and head over to the PDAX website by typing in https://web.pdax.ph in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see a space to enter your email and password. Fill in these details carefully to ensure there are no typos, then click Login to access your account. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself on the PDAX dashboard. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this interface, as you'll be using it for various transactions. Now, turn your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll see your profile icon or your name. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you're going to select Security. This takes you to a new page dedicated to security settings, a crucial area when it comes to protecting your account. On the security page, your focus should be on enabling two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA. This feature is designed to add an additional layer of security on top of your regular password. Locate the two-factor authentication section, and right next to it, you should see an option to enable. Click on Enable, and you're on your way to boosting your account security. The next step is setting up 2FA with an authenticator app. Two popular options are Google Authenticator and Authy. If you don't already have one of these apps installed on your smartphone, you'll need to download and install it from your device's app store. Once installed, open PDAX on your computer screen, and you should see a QR code displayed there. This code is crucial, as it establishes a secure link between your PDAX account and your Authenticator app. With your Authenticator app open, look for the option to add a new account. In most apps, you'll tap the plus sign or Add Account button. Then, choose the option to scan a QR code. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on the PDAX website. Once the scan is successful, the app will generate a unique 6-digit code specifically for PDAX. This code will change every 30 seconds, ensuring that only someone with access to your Authenticator app can log into your PDAX account. The next time you sign in, you'll be prompted to enter a 6-digit code along with your email and password, providing an extra layer of security. And there you have it. A simple yet highly effective way to protect your online assets. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful guides.